Hey, what y'all cooking? Wait, stop the car, para. What y'all cooking? What y'all cooking? Huh? Fish? Is it good?
Good.
I'm kind of hungry. Oh, y'all ain't cooking yet? What do I do? I don't say.
How much? Just last. Yeah.
Where y'all fried though? Where y'all fried? Oh, y'all fried? Oh, y'all don't fry it. I thought they better fried it. Is that ready? Can I eat that then? Yeah, okay, bet. I'm your husband. Como hell? Huh? Wait, two? Wait, both of y'all my what? Both of y'all my wife? Y'all want to marry me right now? All right, bet. What about you? You want to marry me too? 3? 1, 2, 3? Damn, that easy.